So today we are going to talk about the topic called ratio and proportion. Okay, that's the topic name, which is there for sixth class as well as seventh class, eighth class also you will have. So note down the topic name is ratio and proportion. This is the this is the topic name. What is the exactly? Did we started this topic earlier, children, by any chance?
Yes, sir.
Oh, we started this. Oh, nice. Okay. Sixth class also there at that time? I don't think so.
No, sir. Sir, we
Okay.
didn't do for six.
Okay, no problem. So ratio and proportion, right? First we will talk about ratio and then we will talk about the what is the exactly the meaning of proportion. Okay. So when I say ratio, right? Let's say for example, I have okay, total three circles are there. Okay. How many circles are there total altogether? Three circles
Three.
are there. How many are colored in pink? How many are colored in pink?
Two.
Right? So I have total how many circles are there? Three circles are
Three.
there. And with out of which how many are there how many are there coated in pink color, which is two only. How do
Two.
I represent this fraction? You might be knowing this as a fraction. How do I write this as a 2 by 3?
2 by 3. 2 by 3. Or 2:3.
Right. We'll come to that Akshara. So that is called as a 2 by 3. So what exactly here we are doing, right? We are comparing, right? What I am comparing here, total I am having 3, out of which two are colored in the pink. How many are not colored? Only one is not colored, right? So I can say 1 by 3. So what we are trying to do here, how many colored and how many not colored? That's what we are doing, right? That means we are trying to compare. At the end of the day, you are what you are doing. You are trying to comparing the things, right? Other than that, we are not doing anything. Right? Say, for example, in a class, okay, in a class out of 50 members, okay, 40 are passed and 10 are failed. Okay, 10 are failed. So again, here also we can tell that pass to fail. How many are there? Pass is 40. With respect to the fail, how many are there? 10. So I can cancel this. I can say 4 by 1. As Akshara said, how can I write this as a ratio? 4 is to 1, which means 4 out of total, 4 parts are passed and 1 part is failed. I'll talk about that later. How do we solve this kind of problems? So the main intention over here, when it comes to ratios, the purpose of the ratio is to compare the things. But when I want to compare, say for example, somebody bought 5 liters of milk. Okay. Somebody bought how many liters of milk? 5 liters of milk. Somebody bought 250 ml of milk. What is that? 250 ml of milk. Okay. So by seeing that, you cannot compare. You cannot say that 250 is greater than 5. No, right? You need to see the units also. What is this units? This is in terms of liters. What about this? This is in terms of milliliters. So the units are also important. When you want to compare the quantities, how that units also should be the same, which means that what is the value of 5 liters? 5 liters equal to how many ml? 5000 ml. Then you can start compare because both are on the same units. When the given items are in the same units, then only we can compare. Now you can say, tell me, 5000 ml is bigger or 250 ml is bigger? Obviously, 5000 ml is the
5,000.
bigger value.
5,000 ml.
Arjun, please look into the board. So always when you want to make the things comparison, first thing we will use the ratios. But to compare the things using the ratios, what is the second point you should remember? The given items should be on the same units. The given items should be on the same
Same
units.
units.
If units are different, you cannot compare, right? Say, for example, I cannot compare 1 kg with 1 centimeter. Why? Because it is totally different units. This is a kg, this is a centimeter. I cannot compare these two. Okay. point number 1, what is the purpose of the ratio? The ratio's purpose is to compare the things. What kind of things you can compare? The things which are having the same units, those items you can compare. Are you clear? Everyone understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ask your questions. Okay, when you ask the questions, then it is very easy for me. Don't write ma, look into the board. So like that, I have a two items, A and B. What is the ratio of A and B? Which is nothing but A is
A
to,
is to B.
how do I pronounce that? A is to B. So
B.
what does it mean? A is to B is nothing but A by B. What is that
B.
meaning of A is to B? A by
A
B.
by B.
So say for example, I have a two items which are in the ratio 2 is to 3. What does it mean? 2 is to 3 is equal to what?
2
2
by
by 3.
3.
2 is to 3 is nothing but 2 by
2
3.
by 3.
Let's say I have two items which are in the ratio of M and N. How do I represent in the ratio? M is to
M is
N.
to 2 and
In other words, how can we write this?
M by N.
By
N.
N.
M by N. Are you clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in case of ratios A is to B, what is A? A is called as a first term. What is called A? A is called as a
First term.
first term. What
First
about B?
term.
B coming second, right? So that's why this is called as a second term.
Second
What you
term.
call this one? Second term.
Second term.
So the first term, other name for the first term is antecedent. What you call this one? Antecedent.
Antecedent.
This is
The
following the
second one,
antecedent. That's why this is called as a consequent.
consequent.
Consequent. In the ratio A is to B, A is called the first term or antecedent.
And
B is called second term or consequent. Are you clear, everyone? Understood? Yes or no? Saurya, open
Yes.
your camera. Chinmay, tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir, nothing,
Good.
sir. Sir, I was about to say S equals to consequent.
Okay, okay, no problem. Raise your, down your hair. Oh, sorry, not hair, hand.
Hmm.
Samrudh, why are you writing, Samrudh? Can you show me your notes?
I'm not writing.
Show me the notes. What are you doing? Then what are you doing with the pen? You should focus the class, Samrudh. Please try to understand, okay? No, keep the notes aside and focus the class. Listen the class. Okay. So if somebody gives the ratio 8 is to, say for example, 24. How can we write this 8 is to 24?
8 by
Which is
24.
8 by 24.
24.
But if you see that, we can simplify this, right? 8 by 24 can be written as 8 ones
8.
are 8 threes are
1 is to 3 or 1 by 3?
1 by 3. That equal to, how can we write this? 1
1
is
is
1 is to
1 is
3.
to 3.
Instead of writing this much, you can cancel here only, right? 8 ones are 8 threes
8
are.
3s
So the answer will become 1 is
1
to.
is to 3.
1 is to 3.
Are you clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Understood? Huh?
Yes.
So this is what called as a simplifying the given ratios. What is that? Simplifying the given
Simplifying the given
ratios.
ratio.
Let's say for example, two apples. I have two apples, okay, whose cost is 30 rupees. Okay, two apples cost is what? 30 rupees. Let us
30
assume this.
rupees.
So what about the four apples cost?
30 into
It
4.
will
15 into 4.
10
What is the four apples cost? This is
It
where
will
you
be
have to
more
understand.
than. It will be more.
Right, remember. Yeah, you are right, Akshara. But try to understand the concept. If you know the concept, then it is applicable for any problem. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say always. Right? Ratio and proportion is a part of commercial mathematics, right? Commercial mathematics means when you are doing any business, right? That time we can use this ratio and proportion. Right. So what I told earlier, what is the value of question mark above? 30. You have to keep 30 here. Okay. Now, two apples cost is 30 rupees. What about four apples cost? Four apples will be less or more?
More.
More, right?
More.
So, which is more by less. So, you are giving the work to your brain. This is what you are comparing, right? You are comparing 2 apples is 30 rupees. What is the cost of 4 apples? You are comparing. Then you are getting the idea. Obviously, 4 apples will be more, right? So 2 ones are,
So 2
2
ones
twos
are
are.
and
So what is the cost of 4 apples? 60 rupees. So I cannot compare, right? I cannot compare 2 apples with cost, right? I have to take 2 apples with the quantity. What is the quantity here? 2. What is the quantity here? 4. Then you have to compare price. What is the price here? 30 rupees. What is the
30.
price here? 60 rupees.
60.
So always you need to compare the things which are on the same units. Arjun, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So always you need to compare the things based on the units only. I cannot compare 2 apples with 4 apples, right? I have to compare 2 apples cost 30 rupees and 4 apples cost 60 rupees. That's what we have to do. Now, tell me one thing. What is the comparison, cost comparison of 2 apples with 4 apples? What is the cost comparison of 2 apples with 4 apples? 30 rupees versus 60 rupees, right? You have to compare only the cost, right? You cannot compare cost with quantity, right? You cannot say 230 or I can say 60, right? You need to compare what comparison you are taking here, the cost comparison you are taking. What is the ratio of 30 and 60? It is 30 is to 60. How can I write 30 is to 60? 30 by
30 by 60.
60. And you know that it will get cancelled. 0, 0 cancel. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, which means 1
1
is
by
to
2.
2.
1 is
1
to
is
2,
to
1
1
2,
is to
right?
2, yeah. Yes.
So 1 apple, right? 2 apples is 2 rupees means 4 apples will become 4 rupees. That's why it is like that. Don't worry about on that. Everyone understood this logic, how we got the 60 rupees, both 6th and 7th.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
teaching this
Yeah.
topic, which is common for both 6th and 7th. That's why I'm teaching. This is a very important. If you understood this logic, there is no proportion, there is no, what is that, inverse proportion, direct proportion. You can solve any kind of problems. Okay. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood? Let's
Yes.
take the notes. Yeah, please take a notes, everyone. Is that the special classes yesterday, day before yesterday, last 1 week we conducted for your exams? Is that useful, children? We'll start with Akshara. She is the A, starts with A. Akshara, is that useful for you?
Yes, sir.
How much it is useful, madam?
It was too useful.
Okay. So because of that, you are able to do the problems exams. In the exam, it is easy for you.
Sir, I didn't leave any one of questions, sir.
That's good. But whatever we discussed, you did exactly wrong. What to do? That's where I told na, how many times I will teach to you, you are doing exactly. I'm not disencouraging you. I'll tell you. So this is what you said, right? 60 degrees you put, right? It is not 60, my dear friend. Let me take and I'll show you what mistake you did. But it's okay. Learn what mistake you did so that next time you won't do. See, what is the meaning they are asking? X plus 20, which means you should know X value, right? You should know X value. How do I get? What are these two? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal or not equal?
Are equal.
Are equal, which means 3x equal to what? X plus 20.
X plus 20.
Tell me, did I taught this concept to you last 1 week? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then why
sir.
you did exactly wrong, Akshara? Parents will think that I am not teaching, but you should know as a student, right? So what we need to find out X value. So 3x is bigger. This is a linear equation, right? After this, so this plus x
Yes.
comes to this side. What will happen? Minus x,
Minus
right?
Yes.
3x minus x equal to 20. 3x minus x is what? 2x.
2x is equal to 20.
20. And what is x value?
20 by
10 degree.
X by 20 by 10, that, sorry, 20 by 2, that equal to 10. Now what they are asking? X plus 20, right? What is x value you got? 10 plus 20, that equal to how much?
30.
What you wrote, madam?
60.
How do you got 60? Can you tell me? I just saw the first one. Okay, then I understood. Okay, you might have done many things wrong. That's okay. It is all life is learning only, right? Don't worry. Tell me honestly, did we discuss these things or not? That's what I want.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then why you did mistake, Akshara? What is the reason? Overlooking? Okay, fine. No issues. Right. Note down the side heading, children. Ratio. Side heading is ratio. A ratio is formed. Where is Dhruv Baba? Many children are not joined. Okay. You want 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 1 hour, or 40 minutes only?
So 40 minutes. I have exam.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
A ratio,
Sometime.
a ratio is formed. A ratio is formed when two quantities are compared. A ratio is formed when when two quantities are when two quantities are compared. If your
Sir, can
parents
you
ask,
repeat it?
if your parents ask, tell that sir is not feeling well. That's the reason 20 minutes he given early. Okay, understood? A
Yes, sir.
ratio is formed when two quantities are compared. When two quantities are compared, right? Next line. The ratio of A comma B. The ratio of A comma B. Kaushik, show me your notes.
But is it okay if I'm writing it on a paper?
Why? Why are you writing it on a paper? What happened to your notebook?
It got over. My mom is gonna buy it.
Okay, later you have to copy and show me tomorrow. Okay?
I wrote it.
Okay. But don't throw it in the dustbin. Okay?
Yeah, sir. I'll.
Usually, you'll have a habit. The ratio of A comma B. The ratio of A comma B is represented by A is to B or A by B. A is to B or A by B. Are you clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Clear? Next line. In A is to B, in A is to B equal to A by B, comma, A is called first term. A is called first term. A is called first term. Or antecedent. You can remember antecedent. A is called first term or antecedent. And B is called
Sir, what's the spelling of antecedent?
Antecedent. 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 I'm not sure. I'm not an English teacher. Please. I think this is what the spelling of antecedent. And B is called.
Sir,
That's okay, Chinmay. Please. This is not English class. Okay. And B is called second term. Second term or consequent. 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 Are you clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next side heading. Converting the given ratio. converting the given ratio into simplest form. What akshara? When your camera will get ready?
IDK, sir.
IDK. What is that IDK?
I don't
Sir.
know.
Short
I don't
form.
know. Short
Oh my
form of
God.
I don't know.
You're
No.
supposed to tell that while typing, not while saying.
Yeah, it don't look when you're saying. It don't look good.
IDK.
You
I thought
shouldn't do. You should only
idli.
type
There
it
is
when you're
something restaurant in
typing.
HSR, right? IDC. Idli, dosa, coffee.
Dosa.
Dosa, coffee.
But
Something
actual
like
meaning
that.
when you type is I don't care.
I don't care. Okay.
I don't- Oh.
Right.
I don't care or I don't know.
Converting the given ratio into simplest form. First problem. Okay. 10 is to 18. Okay. So how do we write 10 is to 18, which is 10 by 18? I'm sure you might have done this in fractions. Okay. 2 5s are 2 9s are. That equal to what? 5 by 9. How can we write 5 by 9? 5 is
5
to
to
9.
9.
So instead of that, you can write here only, right? 2 5s are,
Yes, sir.
2 9s are. So the answer is 5 is to 9. Is that clear to everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Converting is very easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Super easy.
Next, try to solve all these problems. 25 is to 75. Don't reveal the answer, please. 30 is to 39. 72 is to 48. 69 is to 24. 51 is to 85. Yeah, try to solve these 5 problems, everyone. Nidish, are you able to solve the problems?
Yes, sir.
So recording is going on, children. Try to solve so that we will upload these videos in YouTube. So that you can, suppose if anybody is missed out the class, they can go and check these videos.
Done.
Everyone done?
No, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir, done.
I'm doing
Third answer.
directly, children. And you people know the divisibility rules also. 5 is there means definitely it will get cancelled 5 table, right? 5
So 1 is
5s
to
are
3.
17.
So 1 is to 5.
Very good. Sorry, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are. Again, it will go with the 5
It's
table only.
1 by 3.
1 is
1
to
is
3.
to 3.
So you
It's
should
1
take
is
1 is
to
to 3.
3.
I want the ratio 1 is to 3. Let's look into this problem. I'm sure people know the 12th table, right? 12 4s are 48. 12
So 3
6s
is to
are
2.
3
and
is to 2.
2 2s
Yeah,
are 2 3s are. So the answer is 3 is
3
to
is
2.
to 2.
Sixth class, everyone are able to solve
So
because you know the
10 is to
tables
13.
right here. Third table, 3
10,
tens
10 is
are,
to 13.
and
10
now
is
13
to
is a
13.
prime number, 10 is a even number. You cannot cancel, right? So 10 is to 13.
10 is to 13.
So
Again, you
23
can
by
cancel.
23 is to 8.
23
So
is to
3
8.
2s are, 3 3s are. 23 is again a prime number. We cannot do that. Okay. So the answer is 23 is
23 is
to
to 8.
So 3 is to
8.
5.
8.
Chinmay, don't reveal the answer, please. Next, 51 and 85, right? So if you know the tables, you can get it into easily. See 17 tables. 17 threes are 51. 17 fives are 85. So the answer is 3 is to 5.
5.
Are you clear, everyone? Understood? Yeah? Hmm?
Yes,
Yep.
sir.
Right. Try to do some more problems on this. 76 is to 28. 76 is to 28. 105 is to 15. 125 is to 35. 38 is to 190. 52 is to 24. We are getting decent admissions, children, for 6th and 7th also. Still we are getting. Please refer your friends, okay? Whoever is there, please refer. If somebody wants any tuition, kindly refer. I don't know. I hope you people also will continue, right? After the exams. I'm not sure.
Obviously, sir.
Yes. Good. Good to
Sir,
hear
the
that.
28 or 25?
Which ones are?
Sir, the
28.
first one.
First one is 28. Anyway, see, the bottom line is wherever you go, teacher will teach. But you have to practice to get the marks, right? I can teach n number of times, but still after teaching n number of times also, people are making mistake. The best example is what the problem she did mistake today, right? Vertically opposite angles. So marks is not on my hand. Only I can teach the concept and I can inject her. She knows definitely that concept, right, Akshara? You don't know that? Vertically opposite angles?
Yes, sir.
See, you know that. Knowing you are doing mistake means I cannot do na Akshara for that. So that's why always you should focus the class. Whatever we are giving the inputs, you have to take that inputs, register into your brain. That's the very important thing. Right. Everyone copied? Shall we discuss the answers? Arjun, what
Sir,
is the
no,
answer
sir.
for the
Sir,
first
don't
one?
discuss.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'm still doing, sir.
Sir, I'm done.
Why others not send shade the paper? Today, who and all had the question exam today? Geeta? Kirtan, when is your exam?
Sir, I didn't have exam.
So today only got over.
Where is the question paper? Are you people not reading the messages? See here,
Sir,
what
I
I
think
put
I
here.
lost it.
What I put here. Dear children, I hope you are done with your exam well. Whoever is done with your exam today, please share the question paper in the group. Why? Why you people are not willing to share? Is there any reason?
Sir, today I didn't have exam.
Who are,
I
I
didn't
think
also.
Shivani, she shared the, Adya, what about you? Only Shivani shared. Both are same school?
Mine is on 24th.
24th. Okay. Kaushik, Saurya, you are also done, right? Today exam?
We didn't have it today.
Why? Then your mother didn't check the message?
Sir, we don't have it today.
Sir, we don't have it today.
I am asking about Saurya. Your mother name is Veena. Veena, right? Thakur.
Yeah.
She saw that 141 only. I sent 128. She saw 141. What is this, my dear friend? Huh? You can go after this class, share the paper. Okay? Understood?
Sir, can you show the page? I have to copy the next.
Sorry, ma?
Can you show the questions?
Yeah, I'll show the question. Yeah. Yes, children, let me know. Everyone done all the 5 problems? Just as a cancellation, right? You should know the tables, basic tables. Tomorrow I will ask 1 to 15 tables.
Sir, can you ask today?
Saurya, use your brain, Saurya. What I am telling tomorrow, not today. Today we don't have time, na? Right. Look into the board. Okay. So first thing you can cancel by second table itself, right? 2 3s are, 2 8s are,
It's
and
not.
then 2 14s, right? Again you can cancel with the second table. 2 7s are, 2 19s.
Sir.
So the answer is 19 is to 7. Okay. Then it is very clear 5 is there in its place. Or if I know the 15 table, 15 ones are, 15 sevens are, right? So the answer is 7 is to
7 is to
1.
1.
Right. Next, this is also we can cancel by the 5 table. 5 twos are 10.
25 is to 7.
Right. We cannot cancel this further because 7 is a prime number.
So I have
Right.
a doubt.
Tell me, ma.
Now, when you're for 105 is to 15, when you're writing in fraction, do you still have to write 7 by 1 or 7 only?
When you are writing a fraction, no need to write. But what we are writing here, ratio, right? So better to write 7 is to 1. Are you clear? Right. So I hope everyone knows the 19 table, right? 19 tens are 190. 19 twos are 38. Again, 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So the
1 is
answer
to 5.
is 1 is to 5. Are you clear, everyone? Understood? Yes? Let's take with the same 2 table. 2 twos are, 2 six are. And then 2 ones are, 2 twos are, right? Again, 2 13s, 2 6. So the answer is for this problem is 13 is to 6. Yeah. Are you clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Next side heading, comparison of fractions. Sorry, comparison of ratios. Sorry, comparison of ratios. Or we can say comparing ratios. Anything is fine. Comparison of ratios. Keep your notebooks aside. Call will disconnect. I think you no need to rejoin. That's what children want to go and study, right? So no need to rejoin. Okay. What is the meaning of comparison of ratios? Say, for example, I have 2 is to 3. I have a 2 is to 3. And I have something called 4 is to 5. Which is bigger and which is smaller? That's what the meaning of comparison, right?
4 is to 5.
Yes or no? I'll tell you 2 techniques. Okay. When they given the 2 ratios, 2 by 3, the other one is what? 4 by 5. Okay. What is the denominator of this guy? 5. You
5.
multiply this with 5. You multiply this with 5. Akshara, don't write. And what is the denominator of this ratio? 3. You multiply this with 3. So what will become? 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15, right? Both numerator and denominator you should multiply. Or here what it will become? 4 threes are 12. 5 threes are 15. Now look into the board. The denominators are same, right? Then you can compare 10 and 12. I can say 10 is smaller than 12, isn't it? 10 is smaller than 12. So 10 is part of which fraction? 2 by 3. So we can say that 2 by 3 is less than 4 by 5. So you people know that in the fractions you learn, if the denominators are same, then you just compare the numerators. To make denominators are same, what we are trying to do here? What is the denominator here? 3. You multiply the other fraction, both numerator and denominator, by 3. And what is the denominator of here in this fraction? 5. So you multiply the one more fraction, both numerator and denominator, by 5. So then what you will get? 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. Here also 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. So denominators are same, right? Then we can ignore and try to compare the numerators, which is 10 comma 12, which is smaller number, 10 is smaller number. So 10 is part of which fraction? 2 by 3, right? That's where we can say 2 by 3 is less than 4 by 5. Are you clear, everyone? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Don't try tomorrow we will write the notes, but don't try to understand. Okay, so class is going to end by another 50 seconds. Okay, no need to rejoin. Prepare for your exams. Okay, others please share your question paper in the group. Okay, children, bye, take care, good night. Until then, see you
Bye,
tomorrow.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Sir, good
Sir.
Bye, sir. Like a substitute.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.